My name is Mojgan I had a four-car collision in 2012 where my car was in the middle, and I just remember going numb, completely numb from head to toe. I didn't feel anything, and that's all I remember. I woke up in the hospital. I didn't feel any pain at that time, but as days went on, the pain set in, and then I was told by the doctors in the ER the options that I had to follow up as a result. It was a long road to recovery. The long-term effects I began to feel as a result of avoiding surgery, weakness in my left leg. I would walk or go up the stairs, and all of a sudden my left leg would go numb, or I just wouldn't feel anything, and I would feel like I wanted to fall down. So I said, okay, this is serious, and I need to give it some more attention. I sought many kinds of therapy, physical therapy, acupuncture, chiropractors, various doctors, specialists. I also received a round of 7 or 10 different rounds of shots for the pain, and they would come back. It was a mask, it was not a healing, and obviously the different therapies that I was seeking were not working. They weren't effective. A friend of mine had suggested to look into NJ Spine and Orthopedic. I came here for my first appointment, and in the office, the doctor gave me some minor exercises to do, and sure enough, as a result, he said, you are losing feeling in your left leg compared to your right leg, and if you continue to do so later on in life, you will not have use of your left leg whatsoever. Forget about the running and the swimming. I would not be able to go to work, drive a car. I would lose my independence. Doctors here, they told me step by step what to expect during the surgery. They made me feel very comfortable. They explained things thoroughly, what I was going to expect. They took care of all the logistics. They made it very easy, and they worked with me. They worked with me closely, and I was ready for my first day of surgery. After surgery, I did not feel any pain. I was actually walking the very next day. The recovery was 1 week. By the end of the week, I was able to go up the stairs, down the stairs, go out for walks just up and down the block. I felt I was gaining my confidence. I was walking and I wasn't going to fall, or that my left leg was going to give out on me. So I started jogging again this past week. I was swimming. It felt great. If I would have waited later, alternative would have been I would have been in a wheelchair. I want my independence, and they gave me my independence, and I can't thank them enough. Yeah.